How has it been different from last year?
Bigger and better than what BLF 2012 was. I think we've almost doubled the number of authors who are coming to the festival this time, from 60 last year to about 120, 125 speakers, and a very broad range on the Indian language content as well. Last time we just featured Kannada, Hindi and Urdu, whereas this time right from Assamese, Kashmiri, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and also all the oral literary languages of Karnataka, Tulu, Kodava, Konkani, Byari, all of these find a place, as also Sanskrit. We have Germany as a focus country, so a lot of authors from Germany are here, and we've also had a lot of authors from South Asian countries, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. So I think the festival has now grown to almost assume a larger international and global character, where it is global but it is rooted in a very strong local ethos, and that reflects in the programming in terms of the Kannada content, which we're not doing it as tokenism, but then it is very important and pertinent, especially in a place like, say, Electronic City, where majority of the residents may not know the state language. And I think if this becomes one occasion for a lot of youngsters to get exposed to and inspired to learn Kannada and probably start reading Kannada books, I think that would be a big achievement for us in the festival.
Obviously, more number of people just means that the scale's gone bigger. So obviously it's a bigger budget. We've got a new venue, and the venue is bigger as well, which is great. I think those are the things that's different this year on just in terms of getting things done. Yeah.
What do you think of the reading culture in Bangalore?
It's a very strong culture, and the authors are very, very connected to each other. And since the place is small enough, the authors are visible enough, and since it's big enough, the authors are therefore bigger.
The very fact that on a working day, a Friday, there have been so many people who've turned up, beating our expectations and all our apprehensions, I think that itself speaks for the latent desire of people of the city to have. There was hunger for something like this, and I think BLF fills that in a very small way, it fills a major gap in the cultural calendar of the city.
The entire family could come in, dad and mom could be at the other sessions, but there's enough for kids to be doing from, let's say, 10 in the morning at least until 5 or 6, and there's also good food. You can lounge around, read a book in the corner. The atmosphere in the place allows for all of that.
I can say with some amount of pride that we are perhaps the only literature festival which has such a structured children's reading sessions. We wanted to make literature accessible and also to bring back the old world charm and romance associated with books and reading, especially for youngsters. And also there are nice contest, story, there's treasure hunt, there's a literature quiz. So it's a fun activity. At the same time, it's also something that will probably bring them to the fold of books, because these are our future readers, and I'm sure among them there are a few gems who would probably become our future writers.
How can we make reading a habit among college students?
That's why literature festivals help, because this is a genre which has come up in response to this electronic and technological rivals that conventional and traditional storytelling have. So, which makes it very, very much fun for the three of us too, because we know what the teenagers and what the young adults are attracted to, and then we have to give them a package which will stand the competition, which will beat the competition.
As Mr. Vajpayee said in the inaugural this morning, that for those 3 days the authors are made to feel very important, and it helps to massage your ego a bit. There is a carnival kind of atmosphere in the whole festival, no doubt, but at the same time, in the midst of all that carnival, which is more as a bait to catch people and bring them into the fold of reading, you then have people also listening to serious sessions, whereas the same thing if it was a day-long seminar on Indian languages vis-a-vis English and so on, I'm sure most of the youngsters would have kept away from that. Many people would also accuse Litfest of roping in quote-unquote celebrities to do this, but at least with the Bangalore Literature Festival, our constant focus has been celebrities, no doubt, but they must be a connect with literature.
So next year, what can we expect?
I think, as everyone concurs, it exceeded our expectations, and that will inspire us to think more bigger and more better for the year 3.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All the best.